I'll be showing how to use the Hoto Air Pump Pro. It's much more portable, small, lightweight, easy to use. If you want to see my other video on unboxing it and setting it up, take a look at that video after this. But first I'll show you how to use this. And it comes with a pretty nice manual, so it's very easy to use. I actually really like the sticker on here because it tells you exactly right away how to use it. In fact, I wish there were like this little stuff was somewhere else. But anyway, I'm just gonna peel it off so you can see it, but I will put it back on because it's a good reference point. Pretty simple, just like the sticker says. If you hold this button, it will eventually go on. It is now on. You press this button, the light will go on. Right here, you can set it to whatever metric you're looking for, bar, PSI, or kPa. And then right there is the USB-C port to charge it. It has very nice grip, feels very premium. But anyway, now to use it, just set it to the PSI that you want. I want 33 in this case. First, let's connect this. Okay. And it shows automatically detects what the current PSI is at. It's at 27. So now that I've connected it, let's now input it to whatever you want it to be. And it's at 33 PSI. So now I will press the button and it will go on. Okay, so that was pretty quick, not too loud. I've had some other units before that are really loud. This one's still loud, but it's much more manageable. Now let's just pop this off. Okay, and very easy to turn it off. Just hold it. It goes off. That's how easy it is to use this. It's very light, very portable, very small. Really like this so far. Just gonna put the sticker back on because it's a good reference point.
So in terms of safety gadgets, much like having a portable battery charger in your car, having a tire inflator pump is a great safety device to have in your car in case your tires ever get low on air, or you just want to quickly check on or top up air in your tires. Anyway, I'll put this item used in the description, but really, they make all kinds of tire inflator pumps and brands with built-in lithium-ion batteries. It's just great having one. Some even have more bells and whistles than this. Anyway, let me know what you think about these kind of tire inflators in the comments, or any other safety devices that are a must to have in your vehicle. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribing is always appreciated, but most importantly, have a great day or night.